Get a super light feel throughout your run wearing these sneakers from ASICS. These have a breathable textile upper with synthetic overlays, making these super stylish. The laces are going to be customized, so you can definitely secure your fit and adjust them to your personal preference. I love that there is cushioning around the collar to protect your ankles, and there's a breathable textile lining as well as a textile insole that is removable, so you can swap these out for your own orthotics. These are really going to keep you stable, plus they have a nice heel plug, so that's going to promote a lot of durability under your feet and give you a stable ride from heel to toe. I think these are also super cool because they have this LITE-SHOW technology, making you more visible in low light conditions with the reflective details. They also have this awesome gel technology, which is perfect for shock absorption and cushioning all throughout your run and from heel to toe. They are going to promote a very energetic feel on your feet as well as give you high cushioning and bounce.